The simplest recipe for Magnolia Dessert. Magnolia Dessert is a very stylish and beautiful dessert. You can make it for your party. Hi guys, this is Mona Banu. Welcome to my kitchen. Two tablespoons of white flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a half glass of sugar. Two glasses of milk. We mix these ingredients well and put it on the low flame until it thickens a little bit. Look, its thickness should be like this. Now we pour 100 grams of breakfast cream into a bowl. Add a few tablespoons of dessert liquid to the cream and stir. We do this so that the cream is slowly diluted and no lumps are formed in the dessert. Now add 2 tablespoons of butter to the dessert ingredients and stir until the butter melts. Add the cream mixer to the dessert ingredients and stir. Now we crush some biscuits. You should use strawberries for Magnolia dessert. You can't use any other fruit. We wash the strawberries. Cut the strawberries into very thin slices. They must be certainly very thin. Look how beautiful the color of strawberries is. Now put some crushed biscuits on the bottom of your dish. Lean the thin slices of strawberries on the wall of the container. Since the thinly sliced strawberries stick to the wall of the container very easily. Look how beautiful it is. Now we pour our delicious dessert into the dishes. We put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we pour some crushed biscuits on the surface of the dessert. Now we cut the strawberries in this way. This is the final dessert design. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.